Project Agora will investigate how tokenized commercial bank deposits can be integrated with tokenized wholesale central bank money and seek to build a usable solution. The project, announced by the Bank for International Settlements, brings together 7 central banks from the UK, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Switzerland, New York, and Europe. A global group of central banks is exploring how tokenization can be used to improve existing financial systems with a new project. The Bank for International Settlements, BIS, announced Wednesday. The BIS represents 63 of the world's central banks and is running an array of projects on the issuance of national digital currencies and the improvement of market efficiency with technologies that power crypto networks. Financial service providers around the world have started seriously considering tokenization, which facilitates the digitization of real-world assets. A recent report backed by the UK government urged local firms to execute their tokenization strategies. Financial powerhouse HSBC said last month that it was tokenizing gold for investors in Hong Kong. Meanwhile, the market value of U.S. Treasury notes that were tokenized on public blockchains crossed above $1 billion for the first time in March, according to data from 21.co. The new project Agora, Greek for Marketplace, will bring together 7 monetary authorities from the UK, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Switzerland, New York, and Europe, as well as private financial firms to run investigations, according to the announcement. It will investigate how tokenized commercial bank deposits can be seamlessly integrated with tokenized wholesale central bank money in a public-private programmable core financial platform, the BIS said in its announcement. This could enhance the functioning of the monetary system and provide new solutions using smart contracts and programmability while maintaining its 2-tier structure. Smart contracts are used in the crypto world to automatically execute transactions. Project Agora will explore a more efficient payment infrastructure that could bring together numerous payment systems, head of the BIS Innovation Hub, Cecilia Skingsley said in a press statement. We will not just test the technology, we will test it within the specific operational, regulatory, and legal conditions of the participating currencies, together with financial companies operating in them, Skingsley added.